Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how we can download DaVinci Resolve 21 on macOS. It's free. Okay, so go to Blackmagic design.com. Under this website you can download DaVinci Resolve 21. Scroll down. Here you will see download option. Click on DaVinci Resolve 21 only. Don't click on Studio 21. Why? Because it's a paid version. So always to download free, click on DaVinci Resolve 21. Click on download. Here you will see one message box. You need to fill all your personal details, address, everything. Then click on OK. Now download is started. So once download is completed, now you have to open the file. Go to downloads, click on open the file, and here you need to install the application DaVinci Resolve 21. Just double click and install it. So it will take amount of time to finish the installation. Okay, so wait for a few minutes. As soon as installation finish, we will open the application. As soon as installation completed, you can open the application. Here you can select the language as well, change the language. Now click on continue. Once you click on continue, here you will see two options, quick setup as well as you can skip also. So I just click on skip. Now the application will open. So here successfully we have installed DaVinci Resolve on Mac OS. So the same wise you can also install on Windows devices. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.